Hey guys, welcome to the Blacklight channel. If you're new here, welcome. I am Blacklight, and let's get started in this video. So in this video, we will be explaining how to get the Source Tool plugin for Blender. Let me get started with that straight away. So what you do first is that you go to where your Dragonfire mod is first. So for me, it's on my desktop in a folder. So I'm going to right click on the Dragonfire thing. I have got an old version, but that does not make a difference. Maybe in future it will, but right now it does not. So right click on the Dragonfire, open with WinRAR. Should pop up with this. Something will pop up here in a second, but I'm going to delete that because that's not really needed, that part. Right, let's go to Assets, Dragonfire, and go to Models. Then go to Dragons and copy and paste all of this. From holding left click and going down, hold Control C to copy it. This should come up. That means it is copying. If I am going too quick to explain, go back at the video and maybe slow down. You can pause the video however much you want. You're free to do that. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open the folder. For me, it's File Explorer. It may be something different for you. So now what we do is that we go to Pictures. Once you are at Pictures, make a new folder called Dragons. Oh gosh, Dragons, or call it whatever. Dragons is what I'm going to call it. So I'm going to paste it now from Control V. This will pop up. I am on Windows 10, so if that does make a difference. I'm not sure because I only did this on a computer. I've only done this on a computer. So this should pop up. If it's like this, then it's fine. Just leave it. So then close this down. Minimize it, sorry. So what you want to do now is Google a certain thing. So what you Google now in this top here is, so once you've got Firefox loaded up, or your Google search, your Google web thing, forgot what it's actually called now, you want to type this into this bar, steamreview.org/Blender Source Tools. Once you've done that, it should pop up with something like this. Now download it. Once it's downloaded, add it to your desktop or into a folder. I'm going to add it to my desktop because it is easier. Open up Blender. I am using Steam, but that does not make a difference. So now you want to go to Edit, Preferences, and once you've loaded this up, go to Add-ons and Install. Now go to your desktop and download it. Install, sorry. That should be done. Now you should go back to here. So now you want to go to, now you have, what? Now you want to search Source at the top right here. This should pop up, Import-Export Blender Source Tool. Tick that, and now you are good to go. Close that down, and that is your Source Tools complete. Now you have got the plugin, but now I'm going to show you how to open up a model. For example, I will be using a Dragonfire model, what is a Night Fury. So you go to File, Import, Source Engine, go to your Pictures, and Dragons. Search up at the top, Night Fury. This should pop up, and click on the name of the dragon. For me, it's Night Fury. You have to click on the name of the Night Fury. You just have to. Anything else, it'll pop up with like sticks, like it's on a fire. So import that. Your dragon will pop up. If your dragon is like this, grab this tool and rotate it. So now, if you want to get a different pose, click on the posing positions, File, Import, Source Engine, and click on one, except from the Night Fury, what you just clicked on. So, for example, I want it to glide. So, so now you can get rid of the posing things from clicking this eye at the top, right? And press space to begin the animation. It will go over and over, as you can tell, but if you press space, it will stop. And if you drag this, you can get it in the perfect position you want it to be. So now go to texture paint. Actually, wait, no. Once you have got your dragon in a posing position, click on the actual dragon, not the posing thing. And then click on object mode. Texture paint will pop up with this pink beautiful colour. You want to go to active tool and workspace settings. Click on that. Right here will be material. Click on that, single image, and open. I have got a certain one for this, and it's in my textures, help, and it's called plain white. I'm going to open this up. So I'm going to go to texture paint now to make my Night Fury. You can paint on this, but I don't really like to, as it affects me. So I am going to go to texture paint. I can draw on the Night Fury, as it is already white. I will pick a different colour, for example, black. So you can paint on that. Instead of getting all over the place, you can do it on this. Then as soon as you can lower the brush size and make it 26. And I'm going to paint the wing. Might be terrible, but it's fine. Still works nevertheless. So now you've got the texture, what you want. Now you want to get the snipping tool, new, and paste this if you want to copy it. I don't want to. Now you have got a texture up, you can go to the image, save as, and go to where you want it to be. For me, I want it to be in my texture folder, what's in my desktop here, and I'm going to call it tester actually. Save image, and you've got your texture right here. That'll be it. I hope you enjoyed it, and goodbye.